Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In Finty, depending on your business type and needs, you might not require certain services or menus. If you want to disable any of the menus or services for your own account as an account holder or the manager of a company, please contact the support team and they will disable them for you. However, if you as the manager don't want your employees to have access to certain menus or services, or if you think they don't need them, you can easily disable them yourself. For example, if you don't want your repairman to access the financial services within the software, or if you don't have a repair shop and don't need the repair shop menu or its services, you can simply go to the Access Service in the Users menu and click on one of your employees' names, for example this one, and go to Config Services section and uncheck any of the services you want to disable. For instance, let's uncheck Repair Shop menu and services. And save the changes. And then you'll see that these services and the Repair Shop menu are completely disabled in your employee's account. Let's save this. And since you, as the manager, can easily access any of your employees' accounts by clicking on this eye icon, let's go to this employee's account and see the changes applied there. As you see, we get this error message because the default landing page in Finty is the ticket service in the Repair Shop Management menu, and since I just disabled these features for this employee, we can't access it. To resolve this, let's go back to the manager's account by clicking on this arrow option. Select the employee's name, and in the basic information, change the config homepage or landing page to another service. For example, sales profit, and save. And as you see, this is this employee's account, and the Repair Shop Management menu is not visible. And that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.